Greetings! In today's video, I'll be taking a look at a palette of watercolors that was sent to me. The watercolors in this palette are the ones made for and sold by Blick. Blick is a chain of art supply stores in the US. As many chains do, they sell their own home brand products. Thank you very much for sending me these paints, awesome viewer, as I would not have had any other way of trying these. I think Blick does ship to Canada, but at a very prohibitive price, so that doesn't make it very appealing. This is what Blick say about the paints on their website. I quote, "Excellent quality and competitive pricing make Blick artists' watercolors the perfect choice. All 63 colors are formulated using rich, premium pigments sourced from around the world, uniformly combined in balanced mediums to ensure fluid, controlled washes time after time." The palette I have here features a selection of 15 colors with pigment information. The colors I have are lemon yellow, Indian yellow, alizarin crimson, magenta, dioxazine purple, ultramarine blue, phthalo green, sap green, raw sienna, burnt sienna, raw umber, burnt umber, Payne's gray, and lamp black. This is a lovely selection, and for those who keep track of this, most of these are single pigment paints. The paints reactivated well and are quite vibrant. Only 3 of them, sap green, raw umber, and burnt umber, were more difficult to lay down smoothly. It's a bit hard to see on the paper with all the square swatches, but on the layering test pages, this is visible well. For the demo, I drew something inspired by the latest Animal Crossing game. When it came to painting this drawing, I love how the blue sky was easy to lay down smoothly. But then I had some issues with the green of the trees, where the pigment would not mix well. It's not just the granulating element of these paints, I had a hard time controlling the variations in my wash. I don't usually have that issue. When I paint with my usual palettes, I can add in colors into a wash and it doesn't create any extra unexpected texture. Also, I noticed that the paints like to stay put, in the sense that they don't flow a lot. I'm definitely curious to try this assortment of colors more and to get a better feel for the brand as a whole. Thank you very much for sending me these, I really appreciate it. Also, I'll have the scans of the swatches and the demo piece available on my Patreon page at www.patreon.com/evbolt, EVEBOLT. Have you tried Blick's artists' watercolors? Let me know what you thought of them in the comments below. And take care, bye bye.